And in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subdomain for your WordPress website. So what you're going to do here is I'm going to show you step by step how you can be able to create a subdomain for your website. And once you create this subdomain, you can equally install the WordPress, a CMS platform, which is for WordPress. You can equally install it on that subdomain and create a full website on it. So in order to do that, first of all, let's go in and see how you can create that subdomain. So for us to do that, first of all, come over to here. We'll have your Cpanel login. So once you have here, just follow me step by step as you'll be able to see what I'm going to do here. So once I'm here, what I'm going to click on login. I've already inserted my username and my password. So once you click on login, this is what will come up. So you log into your Cpanel account, and once you log into your Cpanel account, it's very easy to do this. So no matter your hosting company, no matter the hosting you're using, once you have Cpanel activated and not Hpanel, this is just a process you need to follow. So what you just need to do is, first of all, once we are here, just scroll down. You're going to see where you have, like in my own case, I'm using Namecheap to demonstrate how you can be able to create a subdomain. So once I scroll down, I will look for, I can either make a search for it, or I can equally scroll down to get to where we have domains. So let me just go down and show you what you need to look out for. All right, you're going to see subdomains here. What you just need to do is to click on it. So once you click on this subdomain, it's going to show you the list of domain names you have, and they give you an option to be able to create a subdomain. So once you're here, what you just need to do is, as you can see here, it says subdomain, which they need to enter the subdomain or primary domain, which is my primary domain here is calltochain.com. Now I need to input a subdomain name that will be attached to call to chain. So what I just need to do is to click on something like, let me just say I want to create a subdomain about tools. Let's say something like tools.calltochain.com. So this is what I just need to do. Just input the subdomain name here and don't do any other thing. So once you are here, what you just need to do is just to click on this create. As you guys see, I don't have any subdomain created already. So once I have these tools here, what I can just do is to click on create, and that's done. Now it will automatically create the document root for you, and you don't need to create that. You build the subdomain and then you click on create. That will be done. So it's just going to load up, and once it's through loading up, it will create a document folder for you, and this folder can be accessed. Maybe if you want to upload a PHP file to it, you can access this folder using your file manager. So I'm only going to show you how to do that in the next video. Now, but in this case, what you just need to do is to create a subdomain. So this is how you can be able to create a subdomain. Let's wait for my network to load up, and you see a subdomain has been created for me. So this is what you just need to do. Let me click again. All right, so it's coming up now. As you can see, sources tools.calltochain.com has been created. As you can see, I've created my subdomain. So this is how you can be able to create your own subdomain once you're using a Cpanel account. Now, I'll just need to activate. Now, once you create your subdomain, also you can equally activate an SSL certificate to it. As you can see here, it's asking me to, I can get a free 1-year positive SSL installation in progress, and automatically this SSL certificate will be installed for my subdomain. And once it installs it, what I can equally do on this subdomain is to go on to install a WordPress file on it. And once I install WordPress file on it, I can then start creating my website. So this is just the step you need to follow, and you can be able to create a subdomain on your Cpanel account. See you in the next video.